The captain said he has Apple Music. He's on to pay.
Oh, he's just
No,
playing
Kelly
around.
can play it. Priscilla,
Literally, she's been playing this whole time.
Have you guys some rose petals?
Cups are under the stroller.
It's playing. Does anyone
Priscilla, say hi again, because
Can we turn it up?
Does anyone want to say a couple words?
We have the rose petals.
Anybody?
He was an amazing man.
I just want to say I miss my papi every single day, every single hour, every single second. I think of him all the time. He was a great dad. He was a hard worker, and he loved his grandkids so much. And he loved his music so much. And I miss him every single day. I wish he was still here with us. But now I know he's with his son and his parents and his brothers, right? And he's in a good place. And he lived a long, healthy life. And I love you, Papi. I miss you. I love you.
Love you, Abuelito.
love you, Prucho.
You forever be in our hearts.
Should I say flowers?
Let me just say something for the nephews. This was a man that we all could look up to. From all the cousins, we always looked up to him. He came to America with a dream and started this amazing family that we are today, so our seeds can grow and populate. So thank you, Abuelito, for everything you did for this family.
He's a
Patrick,
patriarch.
wait.
Hold on, Papi.
Abuelito, you want to go to the front? Go to the front, first flower.
You go.
Hi, Abuelito. Love you,
Hi,
Abuelito.
Abuelito.
Love you, Prucho.
The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me lay down in great pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me.
Your rod and your staff,
They comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies.
You anoint my head with oil.
My cup overflows. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen.
Love you, Abuelito. Love you,
Love you, Prucho.
Yo le decía, papi lindo. Papi lindo. Donde hay más flores, yo quiero echarle. Oh, papi. Bye, papi. Ay, papi. Siempre vas a vivir en los corazones de todos nosotros.
Take pictures. Te quiero mucho. I can see.